you know, it's got a bit chunky in that middle there. I've got to do something about it. You know, you've seen the seeds of wear that has. So, you know, I want another combine. I want a TerraTrack 660 or 680.
Right.
But yeah, the wife don't want me to have one yet.
TerraTrack, that's a class, is it?
Yeah, it's class. Yeah.
Yeah.
Class are a good combine.
Well, yeah, the Watson's got a 600.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think they're going to upgrade to 770 or 780.
Yeah, I wanted to go 660 or 680, a bit more capacity than what I've got.
Yeah.
You know, and this is on the edge because we're pushing 1,200 acres a year through this now. So with the contracting, and it's always handy to have a bit more spare capacity there that you could push through, like if somebody asked you to do their work.
Yeah.
I don't know whether to go through this one, fix it up and get another one, and have two.
Yeah.
My youngest, well, my eldest son Jason, he's been kicking to get his hands on the gas, so probably but he drives this, the baling, but the young one's coming on this year.
Yeah.
He drove us a bit last year, baling, he's 16, so he'll be 17 this year, so we'll get a test on him. And it's the moving from field to field. At the moment we have to move him. So, but once he's got his licence, he can jump from field to field on his own. Jack mainly runs that one, that's 3230. That was George's first tractor with us.
Alright.
And the 7270 was his second, so. But, you know, but no, so Jack runs that one now on one of the chasers.
Yeah.
Jack goes on the other chaser. But
Alright.
find another one like that, good second-hand one, put on the chaser, so I can bring the class up.
How many chases have you got?
2.
Alright, yeah.
We run 2 super chasers, so they're 12 bale, 12 Estons or 24. Yeah. So, but you have to have conversion on them to run the quads on them.
Alright, yeah.
We're sticking with Heston. We're definitely having another baler this year, another Heston baler. I'm sticking with Heston. People say go New Holland, but then I've got 2 different size balers, so then I've got to convert one of the chasers to one of the other balers, and the 2 chasers will just about keep the chrome clear, which is a very quick baler. But if I went with a different size bale, then I've only got one chaser following the chrome.
Yeah.
You're just going to get behind. The second baler will be as a backup for the main baler.
Yeah.
So we have got a quadrant baler as well.
Yeah.
But no, yeah, they're me old ones there. There's a lane of 2 there. That's very special. That is. There was only ever 500 of them made.
Really?
Yeah, that's the one I courted the wife on, so I'm not allowed to sell that. So, I don't want to anyway, but and enough till my wife bought me for my 50th birthday.
Yeah.
And there's a massive 188 at the front there, multi-power, which is part of the strip, which is mine, my dad's. But I've given it to my son Jason, and he's going to use that to, he's going to renovate it.
Right, yeah.
Panels and everything for it. I know they like you to keep them original, but the panels that were on it, it had the loader on it. And I don't think it had a straight panel on it, so. Yeah. And here are the ladies, as George used to call them around here. These are our cattle. We've got 22 breeding cows, mostly heifers. Herefords, not heifers, Herefords. And they've got 19 calves with them at the moment. Well, good strong stores, to be honest. They're coming off next week to go through into the other shed, because the cows will be calving again in a month's time, so 6 weeks, so we want to have a nice rest.
How many have you got at the moment?
There's 22 breeding cows in there and 19 strong stores and calves in there. But they're all Hereford. There's a bull in there somewhere as well. We keep him with the ladies, that keeps him happy. Keeps him happy and docile. He thinks he's a cow and he don't bother us. That's the way to keep them. I'll show you my main toy box now.
So you'd always stick with JCB, would you?
We've had a lot of issues with JCB and parts, to be honest with you. This one had a overheating problem. We was running a front mower on it. we had a 12 foot on the back and an 8 foot on the front, and it was pulling the rubbish up into the radiators. And we had Oliver's out. They changed the idler pulley and the fan belt and the thermostat, but we were still having issues. And when we looked, and to do that, they got to take all the radiator out because it's got a PTO shaft in the front. You have to take that all out to get the fan belt off. And he took the radiator out and popped it back in. But if he'd have looked at it, he would have seen it's 90% blocked. And that was our overheat problem. So we finally sussed it out and we cleaned it out properly, and we had no more issues with it that season. But it has got a bad habit of sucking the trash when it's mowing through the gaps here. So we've tried to do something with some rubber seals there, but it's still getting it through. It brings a lot through these holes here, fine dirt, and we think this is a bit too coarse and it's pulling through the dust. And it jams the reds up. So. Then she overheats, which causes another problem. So, yeah, so that's that one, and this one had a gearbox problem. And the way they fixed it, changed the oil.
Oh, really?
Put fully synthetic oil in it, and it was a different grade of oil. And Oliver's were trying for 2.5, 3 days to get hold of JCB's, one of their technicians, and they changed a servo under the dash. What they call it, a potentiometer under the dash. Works off the clutch, because they thought it was that, and it wasn't that. So then they tested the gearbox, and like you've got clutch packs in there for your ranges, and 2 of them were leaking. And they basically were getting ready to pull the gearbox out. And JCB come back to them and said 9 times out of 10, put this oil in and cure it. And after 3 days of trying to find the problem, changed the oil and filter, perfect ever since. 3 days, I think it's something like £78 an hour.
Oh, really?
So I wasn't overly pleased with that. That was my son's Christmas present. That's for the back of his little grey Fergie. We take it to Chatbrook show.
Okay.
Really, really good show. You know, it's a really good show. It'll take you 3 days though. All 3 days to get round it.
Did you go to Shuttleworth?
Yes, we did, yeah. I didn't do a lot of filming up there because it was awful weather again.
Alright.
I'm surprised it's still raining. I really can't figure out more rain from left to right. There can't be a lot left up there.